Happy New Year's! We hope you are enjoying all the stories that we've been reading to you, but now we are going to take a break and we're going to make a hot chocolate mug cake.
So if you registered for a supply packet, it included a mug and all your dry ingredients. So flour, cocoa mix, hot cocoa mix, sugar, baking powder, and some marshmallows. They're all mixed up in a little bag, but that's everything that's in there. You'll still need some milk and some vegetable oil from your kitchen, okay? So Miss Erin's going to tell us what we need to do.
Okay, so your first step, you want to have your mug, your clean mug. And if you, like Miss Liz said, if you have the package, you're just going to pour your package into your mug. But we're adding all of ours separately. So you'll be adding the flour, and this is 3 tablespoons all-purpose flour. So if you didn't pick up a packet, you can also do this at home with your own dry ingredients. And then you'll need 1 tablespoon hot cocoa mix.
So we just had the packets, so we measured out 1 tablespoon per person from that packet.
Yep. And then 2 teaspoons white sugar. 1/4 of a teaspoon of baking powder. Okay. 3 tablespoons of milk. And then your 1/2 teaspoon of vegetable oil.
So once you have all of your ingredients in there, you go ahead and stir it until it's smooth. The recipe calls for a small whisk as the best way to stir it, but we're going to use forks here at the library.
So once you have your mixture all mixed together and it's smooth, you're going to take your mini marshmallows and you can add them on top and then mix them in to your batter.
The first time we tried this, we left our marshmallows on top, and it was really hard to tell when our cake was done. So we're stirring them in this time to see if it makes a difference.
Okay, and then we're going to put them in the microwave for about a minute, but it might take longer.
Okay. So you can see we're done. Mine was a minute, and then we put in for 30 more seconds, and all my marshmallows melted completely. Miss Erin's is a minute, and then we put it in for 15 more seconds.
But we kind of pulled it back, and you can see, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's all dry.
Yeah.
It's dried out.
You don't see any liquid.
Yeah, not dried out.
Like you just don't see any liquid. That's why we knew we had to do it a little longer, because there was still liquid around the rim. So you're going to want to let that sit for probably about another minute at least, because it's really, really hot.
It is really, really hot.
And it could burn your tongue. So we hope that you enjoy eating your mug cake, your hot chocolate mug cake, while you listen to a few more stories. Thanks. Have a happy New Year.
Bye.
Yay.